Hey guys, good morning. Today is a new day and we're trying to fix our BMW M5. As you guys remember, we bought the M5 from Copart for only $12,900 and that is by far the cheapest car in USA, which is run and drives and has no physical damage. So we removed the spark plug and we found fuel in there. So it means that the fuel is not burning up. So most likely the injector is bad. So we removed the injector. This is how it looks like. This is the injector that we removed. And we tried to test it, but we don't have the machine so we can test it up. So we decided to buy a used one from eBay and we found one for $45. So I swung by today and bought it. And today we're gonna try to install the fuel injector and see if the coat will go away. Alright, so the fuel injector got replaced, so looks like it's running good. I don't know. There is no check engine light on a dashboard and it's working smooth. Yeah, so looks like it's been the fuel injector. I don't know.
Сейчас подключимся. Вроде никого тебе, да?
Man, if that was the fix, that would be awesome, because we spent only $50. Man, that sounds good. We changed the fuel injector and check engine went away automatically. We didn't even erase the code. So if that was the problem with the fuel injector for $50, that's crazy. We got so lucky, but we have to check it out more. We are connecting the scanner right now and see what codes it has. Okay, so the check engine came up again on the dashboard, so most likely it's not a fix, but we'll see. Okay, so now we're gonna try to erase the codes again and see if that will eliminate the problem. Okay, you see that? We erased the code, so now it's running good, like with no problem at all. So that tells me, you see that? The check engine is off and it's on again. You see that? It's still on. So most likely it's not. It's not a quick fix as we thought it would be. So then the second reason that we are thinking it might be the brain box, this one right here. Because if the car has been modded and upgraded, it's most likely the electrical stuff failed. Another problem that it could be the fuel pump, because the code that we have, the second code that we have, it's the fuel pump injector fail. So I don't know, could be that as well. To give you a small update on the BMW M5, we sold this car as is. We tried everything. We tried spark plugs, fuel injectors, coils. We tried everything what we can, and no luck. So we got a guy called us and said, hey, I can buy this car for a project, and he's gonna send it to Mexico. I don't know why, maybe he lives there, but he's gonna fix it in California and then send it to Mexico. So we sold it, we got our money back, which is a good thing. But I mean, we honestly tried everything. I just didn't want to put some extra time at change the engine, as you guys commented below the video, because it's too much money and too much hassle. The used engine is about $10,000, and plus the labor and all of that stuff. So I just didn't want to do that kind of stuff way. So we sold it as this, which is a good thing. And we told this guy everything that we knew about it. We gave him all the codes, he saw the video, so we got pretty confident about the sales. So we sold this car. Unfortunately, we tried to fix it, but sometimes it gets harder and harder, so sorry about that, guys. I'm making sure the next projects will be fun as a BMW. Thank you. You guys asked us to kind of show us the shop where we are working, so I want to go through the shop and tell you what cars we got as a project for last week. So I'm gonna show you that. Alright, this is the first car that we got today. It's Carrera 4S Porsche. It has only 66,000 miles and it has the small, I mean not small, it's pretty bad, but it's not that bad, the front accident. Looks pretty good though. Interior is good. The next car as a project is Jaguar F-Type R Sport. It has the suspension damage, which we will be fixing. It has the lower control arm damage right here, the rear one. Otherwise, it's pretty good car. There you go. I like those cars, it's pretty good. The rear side is good. And another car I want to show you, just a sneak peek, because it will be in the future projects. And this is Lambo Aventador 2012. That's it. I'm not gonna show you more of that car because this is a surprise car. Guys, I know that episode is kind of weird and small and it's nothing innocent about it. I apologize. I do want to say that the next project would be very, very nice and interesting. It's a very nice car. It's a beautiful. The color is blue. It's McLaren 675 LT 2016, which you guys will see soon. So stay tuned. We also bought this fun snowmobile from the Craigslist for $2,500 just for fun, to spend time with family. We went to Tahoe 3 days ago, spent some time. This machine is a blast. That was very good. And we also have the video about it soon. So guys, please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching our video, subscribing and liking. We will make sure we'll post the video regularly every week. We have to keep up with that, so thank you so much and keep us watching.